Alright, in this module, I'm gonna show you how to create engaging scripts super fast for any type of Faceless channels. I'm gonna use this channel over here, the Paint Explainer, as an example. Here's how I create scripts. Go to the channel, go to their videos, and let's say you wanna create a Faceless channel similar to this one. As I teach you inside my course, don't just copy, but combine 2 or 3 niches into one niche to be original, right? So let's say you found an idea. Let's say you want to make videos like this, but instead of talking about the worst serial killers in every time period, you will talk about dinosaurs, and you will make an animated channel about dinosaurs, right? And your video will be called the worst dinosaurs ever, or something like that. This is just an example. The way you want to generate a script is by going to this video, click on the video, copy the link to the video, and then go to this tool called NodeGPT. You don't have to pay a subscription. I've always used the free version because it's enough. All you want to do is log in. You can log in with your Google account, with your YouTube account basically. And then once you've logged in, go over here where it says AI YouTube and select YouTube Transcript Generator. And over here, paste the link to the video and click Generate Transcript. In just a few seconds, this tool will generate a summary, but also the transcript of the video. Basically, everything that's inside the voiceover will be translated into text, which is basically the script of the video. Then what you want to do is click here to download the script. You can download it with the timestamps, which is basically first minute, first 30 seconds, first minute, blah, blah. Or you can download it without the timestamps. What I usually do, I download it without the timestamps. I have the text file over here, and then I go to Claude. Claude is like ChatGPT, but it's much better for generating YouTube scripts, and I'm gonna explain to you why. So basically, ChatGPT has a word limit. If you want to generate a 10-minute or 20-minute script with ChatGPT, you can't, because ChatGPT will only generate around 800 words, 1,000 words, and that's it. Claude, on the other hand, doesn't have a word limit. You can literally generate a 1-hour script with Claude. And as you can see, I don't even have the paid plan. I'm using the free plan. So over here, what you want to do is drag and drop the transcript of the video over here and tell Claude the following thing. Please study this script and learn the pacing, the storytelling, the structure in order to generate a similar script for me in the future. And then send this message to Claude. So basically, we're training and teaching Claude to generate a script similar to this video. Why? Because we know this video works. This video has 500,000 views. It was posted on a channel with 1.5 million subscribers. We know that the scripts this channel is using work. We know the storytelling works. We know the structure works. So we're not copying the script. We're actually copying the structure of the script. We transcribe the video, we feed it into Claude, and then Claude, as you can see, will analyze the pacing and the structure, the framework. This way, if we now want to generate a script, as I said, let's say our video will be about, over here, we've said the worst dinosaurs in history. So let's say write a 5,000 words script with the same structure and pacing like the script I attached above. Let me fix this typo. About the worst dinosaurs in history, right? And then you send this prompt to Claude, and now Claude will generate a 5,000 word script about the worst dinosaurs in history, but it's going to be using the pacing, the storytelling, and the format of this script, because as I said, we already know this script works. So this is how you want to create scripts. You don't have to reinvent the wheel. You don't have to spend hours crafting the best script, especially today with AI. If you want to be efficient, if you want to be fast, this is the best way to create scripts. You inspire from scripts that are already working. So depending on what niche you took inspiration from, go to that channel, watch their most popular videos. For example, this one in 8 months got 10 million views. Copy the link to this video, get the transcript with NoteGPT or any other transcription tool you want. I'm using NoteGPT because, as I said, I'm not paying nothing. They do cost, but I think they give you like 5 or 10 transcriptions for free, and that's enough per day, really. And then add your script inside Claude. Tell Claude to learn the script, and then depending on what video you want to make, tell Claude to write you a script in the same structure and storytelling, but for your own idea, for your own title. This is the most efficient and best way to generate scripts super fast. And then once you have the script, you put it into ElevenLabs, generate the voiceover, and then you have the option to either edit the video yourself or hire someone to edit the video for you. This is the best way to generate scripts for Faceless channels. Now, obviously, once you start making money, you can hire people to write the scripts for you. They are going to be 20% better, but it really doesn't matter. You can start a Faceless channel using this method. This is what most Faceless channels are doing right now. They are transcribing popular videos in order to copy the structure and storytelling, and then they generate their own script. In a way, it's still original. They're just copying the structure in a more efficient way. Instead of studying the script yourself as a human, you just tell Claude to study the script for you and learn the pacing. And honestly, this is the best way to generate scripts.